put in the Pentagon cover. So I'm going to go back into All Together. You may not have to, you may be in it already. I want to spin this around because I'm going to put the Pentagon cover on it, which is going to go on the back here. Insert, Other, My Onshape, Fancy Cube, Pentagon cover. Create a new version, create. Part 1 Studio, and set her down. Green check mark. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to get the two planes lined up with each other. So I'm going to use the planar mate. I want this plane, and I'm going to use my arrow keys, and I want this back plane. Go back to where I was with my arrow keys. Green check mark. Okay, so we know we have it in the right place. It just moves around. When I go to isometric, go to the right face, you'll see that it's lined up perfectly on there. Let's go back to isometric. Okay, so now I want these pentagons to line up. So I'm going to use the cylindrical mate again, and even though it says cylinders, when I come over here I can choose the cylinder of these shapes, and it doesn't look like it's a cylinder, but if I move it around right, I should be able to get the insert here and the center of this guy. Well, let me move it. There we go. Get the center of this guy and green check mark, and he pops back into place. That's with the cylindrical mate. Even though it's not really a cylinder, remember when we made those, they were based off of circles. All right, so we're going to grab this guy, and now he'll rotate on that, which is fine. We're going to lock him down on the other one now. So it's touched up against the back plane. It's cylindrical mate on my pentagon. I'm now going to use cylindrical mate one more time. And I'm going to cylindrical mate. There it is. This center of this pentagon and the center of this pentagon. Moves it out front, but that's okay. When I hit green check mark, he pops back into place and he can't go anywhere. So when I click on him and drag him, he can't go anywhere. There you go. Part number 2 done.